I'm going to go through placing an order using discount codes that are yours, that are in your account, and also making sure that any credits that have been given to you are being applied to your order. So to log in, I just Google Thrive Lavelle, click on this, we'll get you to the login page. You as a promoter will log in under Cloud Office. First thing we're going to do is make sure we have set ourselves up to use some of the promotion codes. So under resources, promotion codes, you're simply going to say use code. I'm using Troy's account as an example. And we're going to go back to resources, promotion codes, use code. There we go. Why isn't that working? Oh, this. Let me just go in here. The ones that have been used have a X out of them. So let me go down here, use code. And that apparently is not working on Troy's login. So let's see if that works for you. Then what's going to happen is you are going to go to My Orders, place an order for the product. I've put enough credits in there for you to purchase on me. Is this Circulate. This one is full of the branched chain amino acids and lots of other things good for anti-inflammation. But this is more like the drink you were talking about that I think you were also using. So we bump that up to 1 by just moving these arrows. Continue order. You're just going to keep going. And that price you see is in US. So that'll look a little different for you in Canadian funds. So it looks to me like even though those codes didn't look like they were working, they are working. So you can either, choose to use one of those 10% off codes and then the free shipping. So you don't need to enter a code here because they're already showing up here. This is the other important thing. You are going to see, well, it's 50 US dollars in there, so it might end up being like 60 some. But you're just going to want to make sure you click on that so that it says Lavelle credits enabled. And then you can see that dollar is coming out of the total. These numbers are not what yours are going to look like. Unless you add anything else, is going to be like just a few dollars. So that's it. You would hit process order. I think you got to throw that code in it, and that would be all. Your order's complete.